What's up, guys? Welcome back to Limited Bash Customs. I am once again working on the Nissan Navara, and in the last episode we took care of the interior, so this episode's all about the exterior. So let's get into this thing, see how much we can get done before the day's out. So we've been hard at it all morning, and as you can see we have two new doors on, nice silver ones that we've stolen off the donor car, which was where we got all our interior from. And now we are actually going to swing around the other side, do the same thing, not worrying about the front just yet, because worst case I don't get it all done, but at least we can lock it up to make sure there's nothing getting into the cab. And best case scenario, we get all that front on, and we'll be dealing with the tub at a later point. So still working away. We have this side now taken off. As you can see, there is no more doors or front panel on it, which means now we've got to do the same to that one over the back there, so we can fit it all to this. Oh, let's do it. We have the panels now removed from the donor car. I mean, I guess the next bit's pretty obvious in that we've got to now take them, put them onto this one. Okay, so update time, as we are fairly well smashing this out. Although it's bloody hot in the workshop here, I just had a look before, it's about 30 degrees. So yeah, I'm sweating a bit. Anyway, let me show you where we're at with the Navara. We have both sides on now, and you can see with the silver doors. Still got to reassemble all this front area. The side is on, a donor car. No, yeah, they're the bits that need to go onto this one. So yeah, silver guards and a new bull bar. Upgrading from that one. Other bull bar has winch capabilities, also lights that aren't held in with tape. So I got the rest of the side on, the front quarter panels. Coming up pretty nicely. It's the other side, and so still got a bit of time left in the day. We're going to reassemble the very front of it. And that's it, we're done for the day. The front end has been all replaced. We've still got to remove and replace the tub, which will probably be our next episode. But we've got the whole main part of the vehicle done. We went ahead and we reinstalled the bull bar and the whole basically front end. And really, this whole vehicle is now almost not recognizable, which is a good thing considering the shape that it was originally in. We got doors that actually close properly and don't have to be slammed either. Those here are driving lights are going to be swapped out for a set of LED versions before we're done, but for now they can just stay there. Still got to wire up the lights in the bull bar, as well as actually run wiring for the driving lights. But overall, it was a pretty good effort for the day. Oh, what a day, or whole weekend really, but day for this particular video on getting this thing all looking pretty. We've still got a bit to go. We've got to swap over the tub in the back, but the rest of it's kind of done. We can start moving on to checking it over to make sure that it is all roadworthy right on the underside of the vehicle, so bushes and things like that, which I did have a quick look over when I first got the thing, and it didn't seem to be any major issues, although it does need a really good wash to get all the mud and everything out and be rechecked. So hopefully that gets through nice and easy, and there'll just be a few little things like we're going to piss those driving lights off and fit a LED set. A little spider climbing up the tripod. Yeah, fit an LED set and maybe a couple other little bits and pieces here and there depending on time, as we are very, very quickly running out of it. Although that will all be determined too on whether we're stuck in another lockdown at that point. At which point we would have already known, because this is coming out after it's all complete. But anyway, yeah, so that's about it. In the next one, we will be swapping over the rear end. I'll probably do a video on that. I don't know. You'll just have to tune in next time to find out. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe if you haven't already and you are enjoying this project so far, or would like to see, I suppose, more of this and other upcoming projects. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye.